this you would need a copper wire, a magnet, a battery, an electrical tape, and 2 safety pins. The first step is to coil the copper wire using something with a cylindrical shape, like a marker's body for instance. Said coil would be our electromagnet. Secure the coil shape by looping the ends around the magnet's interior and make sure to leave the ends with a distinct length so it can be held in place. The next step is to scrape off the wax coating so as to not hinder the flow of the electric current throughout the electromagnet. Next, grab the battery and attach the safety pins to either side of its positive and negative charge poles and secure with electrical tape. After that, simply place the electromagnet in the loop ends to lock it in place. And finally, attach your permanent magnets and watch the magnetic magic unfold.